I only give only one mantra. Please be committed to what you have selected, what you have aimed for. Just commitment, only commitment and dedication just takes you nowhere. One man's commitment, Nageswara garu's commitment made you all sit together today, and just we are celebrating because of Nageswara garu's commitment. And one man's commitment made so many employees into our hospitals and our institutions. It's only the commitment which creates the surroundings. Just forget about your positions, your status, and all rest of the things. Just forget it. Just committed to whatever you have aimed for in your life, and automatically the surroundings itself just creates for your success. So keep that in mind. And I really appreciate Nageswara garu for his I really admire and appreciate for his legacy of making so many students beautifully turning their lives. Really, we are appreciated, sir. I'm admiring, sir. We need people like you in our society, and I'm really happy to be a part of this gathering today. I wish I'll be in your gatherings for some much more occasions. Actually, as for now, we don't have that sophisticated environment for any students to just put their energies into. People are like, they are getting so much of education from Guntur and Andhra Pradesh. Actually, so many talented people are here from the Andhra Pradesh. I learned, but still people are just opting for the other states and other countries to move on, because the environment is not sufficient for them to accommodate here. So I'm just planning to create such an environment where our youthful energy should not go out of our country, out of our state specifically. So taking that into mind, we are planning already. The government has planned so many skill development programs. Behalf of that, we are planning some software institutions to come, some incubation centers to be set up, and some skill development from my part. Even from my side also, I would like to plan some skill development irrespective of their academics, irrespective of their interest, in every stream. It can be a mechanic, it can be a tailor, it can be anything. Whoever is interested in any part of their profession, I would like to just create some incubation centers and make them so much proficient and professional in their interest, and give, like, I would like to make the youth a role model for that particular thing which they are opted for. That is the only goal which I am planning for from Guntur West specifically. And I have seen so many of students from across the from the boundaries, from all the villages. The students are here. So it is really a responsibility to create some institutions or some occupancy, some employment for them, that to a respectable employment for them. So we are dedicatedly planning for youth to accommodate in such a things. And thank you for a great opportunity celebrating this occasion with all the prominent people here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.